If you've been following my channel and watching my videos, then you know I'm all business, and like me, if you also don't like to wait and want to earn those big bucks online, then this is the video you are looking for. Today, I will show you a brand new technique to make money online using this brand new website that pays you through Bitcoin, PayPal, Payoneer, and Paytm. This is a completely free website which has nothing to do with surveys or affiliate marketing, so you won't have to sell any products here. Also, this website is available worldwide, so all you need is a mobile or desktop with a decent internet connection. Now, I will be breaking down this technique into different steps, so make sure you watch all the steps because if you skip any step, you will be leaving a lot of money behind. If that sounds cool to you, then I'm the executive. And for more such free money making videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you won't miss any further updates from my channel. Now, without any further delay, let's dive into it. Step number 1. For the first step, all you need to do is select a niche. You can select science, law, sports and nutrition, fishing, cooking, gaming, and much more. After you have finished selecting some of these categories, you will proceed to step number 2. Step number 2, go to Google and search for some free courses within some of those categories. Whether it is science or business, type the keyword and free online courses or digital courses and click search. As you can see, I have a bunch of free courses here. In this case, I am searching in the business niche, so there are a lot of free courses in that category. Skip the courses with the ads because they might not be absolutely free courses, rather a demo to promote a course, which you will later have to buy, so scroll past them and click on the one without any ads. So I will open this one as an example, and you can see that this platform provides you with courses within different categories and seems to be giving them for absolutely free. So we will select this one as an example. So search for free courses in any of those niches that you like, and don't worry, you won't have to go through these courses or promote them as an affiliate. And if you want to, you can select the same platform. The one I am using right now is futurelearn.com. And just to make sure, I will see if all of these courses are free. Yes, they're absolutely free, so don't worry about buying the course, and let's move on to step number 3. Step number 3. After you've selected a free course in any of the niches or any category that you like, I want you to copy the URL of the platform. So copy the link that takes you to this platform where you can grab your free courses in whichever niche or category. Step number 4. Now, you will open a blank Google document. This is over at docs.google.com. And type something in the range of congratulations. You can claim insert your niche. So in my case, it will be business. So I can say you can claim your free business class here and then paste the link that takes them to the platform where they can have their free courses in the selected niche. Make sure you enter the correct niche right here and it will look something like this. Step number 5. Now you want to save the file on your computer. To do so, click File right here, select Download, and either click Microsoft Word or PDF. I will download this in the PDF format, so after that, the file will be downloaded instantly in your computer, and we will proceed to step number 6, where I will show you the website that will help you earn money. Step number 6. Now you will connect to DLUpload.com. This is a leading website that will help you make money by uploading files on their website. Now this works for all countries. As I mentioned before, it has strong security and lots of free storage, so you can upload files up to 100 gigabytes and that too for absolutely free. They have quick payouts, so as soon as you reach $5, you can cash out using PayPal, Payoneer, Paytm, or any payment method you like. It is user-friendly and anyone in the world can use this. Now, you must be wondering, why are they paying you for uploading files? Well, after you upload your file, you will get a special link that you can share with your friends. When your friends download this file using your link, they will not be directly taken to the link. They will be directed through a middle page first, where they show a few ads, which they can, of course, skip, and then they can download the files. So basically, DLUpload is splitting their ad revenue with you, and when people download the file through your link, they won't have to buy anything. They won't have to spend any money. They won't have to create a free account. They can skip those ads and directly download the file, and you will still get paid. To do so, sign up for absolutely free by clicking on Register button here. Enter your full name and a valid email address and hit Next. Now enter your address, your country, enter your password and confirm it and click Complete. Then open your email and verify your email address through the mail they sent you and you are set. Now that you know how to use this link, with the next step, I will show you where to promote this link so you can get maximum traffic on your link. But before that, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Moving on to the next step. Step number 7. Once you log into your brand new DLUpload account, click on Upload File right here, double click on the PDF document that you have downloaded previously, and then click on Upload File. Wait for it to load, and they will give you a special link that you can copy, so whenever someone downloads the file using this link, you will get paid. Step number 8. Now you just need to share the link so that whenever someone downloads your file, you will get paid, and the best traffic source that you can get for absolutely free is on this website named answers.com. This website has more than 8 million people visiting it on a monthly basis. Answers.com is a website quite similar to Quora, where curious people eager for knowledge ask questions or answer the questions on any or every possible topic available, and a really great thing about it is these answers are ranked high on Google for a really long time. So if you think about it, whenever you have doubt, you will search it on Google, and there is a high chance that these answers will pop up, and they stay there for a long time. So you can promote your link once and relax while the passive income keeps stacking. So search your niche in the bar or select from the left side of available, and that will give you access to thousands of curious people who are willing to expand their knowledge. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of questions here, so you can start answering them right away. You have to write something convincing like, even if I had this doubt or even if I was held back, but you will be able to find your answers in this free course and also gain more knowledge as I did, and then paste the link. This way, the person knows you genuinely want to help, and since he is already interested in the topic, he will most probably download your file, and you, my friend, will get paid. Also, don't keep spamming your links or don't paste the same answer everywhere, or else you will get banned. Try to provide value first and be creative with words. That way, the person asking the question will know this is a genuine answer, and you will have a higher chance of the person downloading the file. Once again, you will have to sign up at answers.com for absolutely free. Then you will be able to answer their questions. I have uploaded more videos on such easy and free money making tips. Make sure you give them a watch. Also, tell me in the comments below what niche would you be using for this method, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video, and that's it for now.